5 minutes, that's all it takes to revive their desire for you, to stop the ghosting, to make them remember exactly why they fell for you in the first place. And if you've been sitting there wondering why they went cold, why the texts stopped, why they suddenly act like you don't exist, this is going to change everything. Hey, I'm Amanda Hicks. I work with people just like you who are tired of being ignored, tired of feeling forgotten, tired of wondering if they'll ever come back. And I'm here to tell you, they will. And it starts right now. What we're about to do together is going to wake something up in them, something they've been trying to ignore. But after this, they won't be able to anymore. But first, tell me this. What's the last thing they said to you before they went quiet? Drop it in the comments. Just that last message. I want to see it, because I want you to remember, and then I want you to watch how fast things change after this. Look, I know ghosting hurts. I know it makes you question everything. What did I do wrong? Was I too much? Not enough? Should I reach out again or give them space? And the more you chase those questions, the further away they seem to get. But here's what's really happening. When someone goes silent, it's not because they don't care. It's because they're afraid of how much they do care. They're protecting themselves. They're in their head. They're confused. And the more you chase them, the more you confirm their fear. That if they let you in, they'll lose control. So we're going to flip this completely. Instead of chasing, we're going to create a pull so strong they can't ignore it. Not through begging, not through desperate texts, through energy. For the next 5 minutes, you're going to become magnetic again. The version of you they couldn't stop thinking about. The version they want back, but don't know how to reach. All you need is 5 minutes of your time and a quiet space. That's it. All right, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to guide you through a technique that's going to rewire how they see you, how they feel about you, how they respond to you. You don't need anything special, just you, right here, right now. Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down, whatever feels right. And for the next few minutes, I need you to completely let go of the story you've been telling yourself. The story about why they left, why they're ignoring you, why they don't want you. That story, it's not true, and we're about to prove it. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a second, and let it out slowly through your mouth. Again, in and out. One more time, in and out. Feel your body relax. Feel your mind quiet down. Feel yourself dropping into this moment right here, right now. Now, with your eyes closed, I want you to picture a flame. A small, flickering flame right in front of you. This flame represents the connection between you and them. And even though they've been quiet, even though they've pulled away, this flame is still burning. It never went out. It's still there, waiting to be noticed again. Watch the flame flicker. See the way it moves, the way it glows. And as you watch it, I want you to say these words in your mind. This connection is still alive, unbroken, unforgotten. Say it again. This connection is still alive. Feel the truth of that. They haven't forgotten you. They're just scared, confused, lost in their own head. But the connection? It's still there. Now, as you watch that flame, I want you to picture them. See their face clearly. See the way they look at you when they let their guard down. And imagine them thinking about you right now. In this exact moment, see them sitting somewhere, maybe looking at their phone, maybe staring off into space, and you're on their mind. They're wondering what you're doing, if you're thinking about them, if they should reach out. Feel that. Feel them wanting to connect but holding back. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to send them a message. Not through your phone, through energy. Take another deep breath, and as you breathe out, imagine sending them a wave of warmth, of love, of certainty. You're not chasing. You're not begging. You're just reminding them of what they're missing. Now, I want you to say these words out loud. If you can't speak, say them firmly in your mind. As I see me, so you see me. As I feel this pull, so you feel this pull. Say it again. As I see me, so you see me. As I feel this pull, so you feel this pull. Feel those words activate something. Feel the connection between you getting stronger. Now, imagine yourself the way you were when they first fell for you. Confident, light, free, not waiting for anyone, not chasing anyone. Just living your life fully. See that version of you. Feel what it felt like to be that person. And now imagine them seeing you that way again. Not the desperate version who's been checking their phone, but the real you. The you they fell for. Watch their face light up as they remember. Watch them feel that pull toward you that they've been trying to ignore. They're thinking about you, right now, in this moment. And that thought, it's not going away. It's going to stay with them. It's going to grow. It's going to become impossible to ignore. Now, take your hands and place them over your heart. Feel your heartbeat. Feel the warmth of your chest. And imagine all the love you have for them, all the desire you have for them, all the hope you have for this connection. Imagine it gathering in your heart, and then imagine sending it to them, like a beam of light traveling from your heart to theirs. See them feeling it. See them stopping what they're doing because something just shifted. They don't know what it is, but they know it has to do with you, and they can't stop thinking about it. Say these words one more time with absolute certainty. Our connection revives. Our bond reignites, instantly, effortlessly. Feel the truth of that. It's already happening, right now, as you sit here. They're feeling this. They're thinking about you. They're remembering why they wanted you in the first place. And soon, very soon, they're going to act on it. Take one more deep breath, in and out. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. How do you feel? Do you feel that shift, that lightness, that certainty? That's real. That's not your imagination. You just sent them a signal they can't ignore. And whether they realize it or not, they're responding to it right now. Now here's what you do next. Nothing. I know that sounds strange, but seriously, don't text them. Don't check your phone obsessively. Don't start analyzing whether it worked. It worked. The shift happened. Now you let it unfold. Go about your day like someone who knows they're wanted, like someone who knows the text is coming, the call is coming, the apology is coming, because it is. Tonight, before you go to sleep, revisit that flame in your mind. See the connection still burning. Feel them thinking about you, and remind yourself, the one I desire also desires me. Just let that be true. Don't question it. Don't fight it. Just let it be true. If you felt that shift during this meditation, if something clicked for you, hit that like button. It tells me you're ready for this. And subscribe if you haven't already. Because when they do reach out, you're going to want to come back and tell me about it. And you're going to want the next technique I share. Turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And I have a membership where we do deeper work like this every single week. Guided meditations, energy work, techniques that actually move the needle, The people in there are getting results because they're consistent. They're committed. They're done playing small. If you're serious about getting them back and you don't join, you're honestly just making it harder on yourself. I'm not trying to pressure you. I'm just being real about what works. And when that message comes through, when you see their name pop up on your screen, and you know this was the moment everything changed, come back here, tell me. I'll be celebrating with you. Remember, you didn't lose them. They're just lost right now, confused, scared, but you just lit the way back. You just reminded them of the connection they've been trying to forget. And they're going to come back, not because you chased them, because you reminded them who you are, the person they couldn't stop thinking about, the person they're meant to be with. Trust this. Trust yourself. Trust what just happened. I'll see you in the next video.